Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this collage of videos inside of a logo easily on CapCut PC. So actually I'm just going to select this one instead, and I'm going to select the ratio as 16:9. I'm also just going to then insert some videos. It's going to be super random, but I'm just going to insert some videos and I'm going to make them like smaller than like the logo so you can like see the videos actually. And on the logo, I'm just going to select the darken one, and as you can see, creates this effect, and I'm going to lock that in place. And I'm just going to keep on adding videos like so on top of each other, and I'm going to kind of like make a collage with them and just place it side by side. It's totally up to you like how you want to place them, of course. Like that, making sure it doesn't go out of the video. And I'm just going to keep doing that honestly till I'm done, but for this I don't think I'm going to use a lot of videos so you guys can see like the kind of final results and where I'm going with it. Like that, and then let's see this one. And if you run out of like overlays, because there's like a maximum on it, you can just like select all of them and then create compound clip before adding more. Like you can just select almost like everything, and then right click and then select create compound clip. And then that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!